I'm on my way to fly.
The kind that we're catching up for.
Like, there's no in between.
I don't really have any.
It's on my mind and my business. And I'm fully dressed. I'm gonna go on TikTok live.
First day, car wash was closed 46 minutes. No one was getting minutes. But we're going to Uptown Mondays.
No. Good morning, guys. Today is February 3rd and it's 10:49. I need to leave the house in 5 minutes because I'm on my way to fly for the first time. I can't even talk. I'm really excited. It's a career that I've been looking into, like possibly becoming a pilot, working for an airline, seeing what else they have out there. And I've always been interested, especially after I became a flight attendant. That's really when the interest started, and I never took initiative. So now I'm taking initiative and I'm on my way to Long Island to go fly a plane. Like, when I tell you I'm nervous, but it's like the good nervous. It really and truly is the good nervous. I just have no words. I have no words. I'm gonna get completely ready and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm as ready as I'm going to be. This is how my hair looks, and I'm gonna grab a scarf just because it's gonna be cold, and I'm gonna bring my gloves, and I just have my purse with my book and pens because I'll jot down some questions and take a lot of notes, and I'll try to get as much video as I can on my phone because I just don't want to bring my camera out. But when I am done, which would be probably after 3 p.m., I'll come back and share with you how I feel and probably or possibly my choice going forward. So I'll see you guys in literally a couple seconds.
Thank you.
Good morning. It is, what's today's date? Oh, I don't even have my watch on. Today is February 9th, and excuse me. Oh my God. I'm sorry, I have to laugh. Am I gonna leave that in? Anyways, another one's coming. Christ. Okay. God bless me. Thank you. Today's February 9th, and the last time I left you, I was in the Chinese restaurant with my mom getting food. But after that, I had to wash my hair and get ready for work. But today we are at work. We're actually in Tampa. We're going to fly Tampa to Dallas-Fort Worth to LA, spend the night in LA. When I get to LA, I'll tell you what I'm doing tomorrow. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Publix. It's not far from the hotel, and get me some groceries, as in like stuff to eat for the next 2 days and maybe stuff to bring home. We'll see. I definitely need to buy some lotion and SPF. So if they have them at a reasonable price, I'll get those too. Pickup is at 12:30 and it's currently 11. My uniform is ironed. I'm all showered, lotioned up, and ready to go. I'm just gonna walk to Publix and then come back and get ready on TikTok. So make sure you are following me on TikTok. Make sure you're checking out my newest YouTube video. Well, it's not the newest one. Make sure you're checking out my YouTube vlogs. They're up. I'm really trying to be consistent. Sunday, Wednesday, and Fridays. I'm gonna upload. So pinch me if I'm lying. Pinch me if you see me. I'm gonna upload. But hopefully you don't have to because I will be doing it. All right, let's go. I just want to show y'all the outfit real quick. This pants thing, capri, because it stops right here. It's from Shein, but it's actually like a misguided brand. And this top is from H&M. I got it in a size small. And I feel like for these type of shirts, like these just regular basic shirts, I'm a size onto a small because I really like that fit. And if I want it oversized, I'm a size up to a large. Because like there's no in between. I just don't like the way mediums look in these type of stuff. Like it's either tight like this or big. And then I got my J. Crew bag and my Guess sandals. And that's it. That is it. My hair and my glasses, because we're gonna come back and do a get ready with me. But we already talked about that, so let's go. It is a nice day in Tampa. It is a very. Did this person just lock their car door? Did they just unlock the car door or did they lock the car door? Because what the hell do I need out of that old ass Jeep? I'm gonna check. Well, there's Publix. I don't know, but it's too convenient that the door either unlocked or locked right as I walked. You know what? It's a good day. It is a good day. I'm gonna get me some fruits, stuff for my trip. It is a good day. Condoms, pregnancy tests, and pads in the same area. That's devious work. That's diabolical. Because why am I minding my business and I look down? So we're just gonna hide that there. Alright guys, I got all the groceries, got everything I need, but I really need to like seriously pee. So I was thinking of going to the bathroom in the supermarket, but it literally is right across the road from the hotel. Then I'm speed walking to get back, and I gotta go get ready because it's already almost 12 o'clock. Time flies. Do a very quick haul on what we got. Very messy too. So let's make it quick. I got this salmon poke bowl. This is for dinner tonight. So when I get on the plane, I really need to put some ice on it. Because I just didn't want to buy anything in the airport because I know it's going to be expensive. Or buy anything when I get to LA because the chances of us actually getting something that late and at like an airport-ish hotel was not gonna look pretty. I also got this. I think I'm gonna use this as a snack, yogurt parfait. I'm gonna use that as a snack today, probably when I get to Dallas. I have these two, one of which I'm more likely gonna eat tomorrow when I work out before we head back to New York. Empty bag that I'm bringing home with me from my garbage can in my room. So keeping that. Let me show you. Since I got two yogurts, these are Siggy's Simple Ingredients Skyer. I think that's what it's called. I got plain because I like plain and I'm trying to stay on my game with the body, guys. So because I got those, I got some granola to put in the yogurt. Oats and honey. I also got a kombucha because I love kombucha. It really does make my stomach feel 10 times better. I got some soap. This is Castile soap. That's my alarm. It's 12 o'clock, so I need to get my makeup on my face. I am going to go onto Tostama's website and get the turmeric soap. But for now, I am going to be using the Castile soap. And I feel like this is one of the best soaps for me, skin-wise. I also got some SPF. Normally, I get SPF 50, but this one is SPF 70. Also got some body lotion. This is by Burt's Bees. I've never used this one before, but I'm excited to see what it's like. May become a regular. And then I got a hot chicken tender sandwich with a bunch of vegetable on it on whole wheat bread. So I'm gonna eat that now. And that's gonna be my breakfast and lunch. So I got breakfast, lunch. I got a snack for in between. I got the lotion that I needed. I got SPF. And what else? I got other snacks for tomorrow and for other days. So this is perfect. Gonna throw all of this. Well, everything that needs to go in my lunch kit will go in my lunch kit. And these are gonna go in my like shower amenity kit bag. So I will see you guys on the road. Bye. Good morning. I'm heading to the gym. It's currently 4 a.m. in LA. Pickup isn't until 6:30, so I just want to go to the gym for a little bit. And plus, I'm feeling very bloated. So I have a feeling that the gym may be able to help me. I'm gonna just brush my teeth, and then when I come back, I'm gonna wash my face because I still have some retinol on that I want to just seep a little longer. But then I'll definitely like just do a full cleanse, shower of course, and then start getting ready for work. All right, that's it. I'm not gonna bring you guys to the gym with me. I'm gonna do a video dedicated probably to just like the gym and like routines, especially when it comes to fitness, because I have been very consistent, you know, minus like the time I went to Brazil because I needed a break, and which I did try as much to walk as much as possible, and then my rest days. But other than that, I've been very, very consistent. I just need to work on my diet, and I'm not gonna come on here and lie to y'all about like what I eat in a day and what to eat and all them extra something that when sometimes I don't even eat until like 5 o'clock, and that's PM. So it would be very misleading of me to try and show you something that I haven't even begin to figure out for myself. But I'm pretty confident in the gym. I'm pretty confident in my routine, which does need to switch up because I have been doing the same routine now for like a good 8 months. So like that should have been switched up on week 6 or 8. But it works for me and it has been working, especially cardio. But anyways, I'm yapping and that's my favorite sport. So before it goes on too much longer, I will see y'all when I come back from the gym. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are back from the gym. You're gonna hear that little SpongeBob sound. I don't know why all of a sudden it's making that noise. But we're back from the gym, all showered, I ate, and I'm fully dressed. I'm gonna go on TikTok live and get ready. So if you're not following me on TikTok, jump over there. It's Bicana Brown. And yeah, I have basically very similar content as to what I have on my YouTube, just in short form. And I'm trying to go live over there more. I won't be talking. I'm gonna chop this up and get the little, you know, cutesies, and then probably gonna end it after 2 minutes. But I'll be on TikTok live until it's time for my pickup, which is the next 30 minutes. So, well, the next 45 minutes. And I'm playing music, so... Gonna ask, I'm not recording over here. Everything I withdrew. Chocolate coming to the rescue. No. Any pretty lady I attend to. In the drop top, I'm a lipsy. Impress you, I don't wanna fix you. Keep it chill, and I did chest you. Text you, you should never left me. I picked you, I just wanna fix you. Thank you so much. I appreciate Hit my line when you use it with you. Miss you, girl, you know I missed you. Money for me, yeah. Big check on me, I got money for me, yeah. Big check on me, I'm gonna ice out to someone straight from the cup. We are in Kingston, guys. As you saw a while ago, I was in the elevator, but welcome to the Kingston vlog. I'm gonna do a February Kingston vlog since I'll be back once a week. So once a week, for the whole time I'm here, I'm gonna vlog. So Khai and I were catching up. We're talking a bunch of stuff that's not even good for TikTok, or y'all would cancel me. So no, we were being good girls. But we're going to pick up Jackson. And oh my god, guys, the traffic. What do you do with this?
Just sit in it. Can't fly over it.
I can. No, but the traffic is bad. The traffic worse than New York traffic, guys. Yeah. Oh my god. They need to do something, man. They need to do the infrastructure better, or like start build some overpass. Something like metropolitanize Kingston or something. I don't know.
Definitely one time ferry.
Yeah, not ferry and
3
Mile.
miles.
Yeah, and look how the place lights.
Yeah.
3 Mile have traffic like one time. Yeah, so guys, you would not believe one madman. Let me not call him that. A mentally unstable man came up next to the car, pull out his and peed. And it peed like a fountain, like it
go in a shower.
Yeah, and it went up like in the cartoons. It went up like an arch and then down. Like,
that's traumatizing.
Kingston mad. Can you imagine me bringing my crew members that never came here before? Like, at them time, they would have got on the internet and talk about, oh my god, right. Look what I saw in Jamaica. This is what they do in Jamaica.
Homeless people.
Yeah. That's crazy. Child. Anyways, Jamaica's so nice. I miss it. Give me a thumbs up if you want me to move back to Jamaica like next week.
Do you guys remember when Bicana used to live in Portmore?
The good old days.
Yeah.
The good old days.
Not Phoenix.
Which one? Oh, that King one. I live there again.
Well, true. The first one with that. Yeah. The first. Oh,
no, the first one was Dwayne Park.
Portmore, where they rent the place. Portmore, wait, the 2-story.
Oh!
Yeah!
Bridgeview!
Yeah! Yes.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh, that was so much fun.
Judy Park was after that. Yeah?
Was it Bridgeview, then Dwayne Park, then to Phoenix?
Okay, you don't remember everything you moved from Bridgeview to
Yes, that's true. Yeah. And then it was, because it was Dwayne Park, and I remember. Right. I feel like I wish, I don't know, I definitely want to move back and commute, but commuting would be so hard because I feel like I can more than afford the rent now. But it's like commuting to work, that would be so hard.
What, for the airport? I didn't know.
Yeah, because like, especially on like that's a whole part-time job.
Yeah.
Like, can you imagine
like a day or two in advance and then not go work
and try get there? Can you imagine during high season when all the other 50 billion flight attendants them that commute from Kingston trying to get to work, and we don't have a straight flight from Kingston to New York? Anyways, like this video right now. Drop which emoji you like. Which emoji has been on your mind right now?
The one with the girl.
Which one? The one like this?
Yeah.
Drop this emoji, the girl emoji. Or if you can't, drop an emoji with a person so we can know that you watch this part of the video. And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you when we go pick up Jackson.
It was so cool, but it was cool.
Oh, it was cool today.
We're back at the hotel. We got some Popeyes chicken wings. And I'm just realizing, well, I'm just remembering that I didn't even get to show y'all my little outfit. And y'all will be seeing this outfit more often because I feel like it's just such a classic, simple, cute look. Let me show y'all real quick. This is the fit. Just some nice, plain black shorts. I have a nice black belt. White tank top. The shorts are from I think either Abercrombie and Fitch or Forever 21 or Aeropostale, one of those places. Bag that I always love to wear these days. Same Guess shoes that I've been showing you guys in the last 50 vlogs. And yeah, simple dimple jewelry from Kay's and Zales. Very cute. I love these pieces. That's what they look like. Watch and Pandora bracelet. And this is from Mummy. This is from, I think it's from Kay's, maybe Zales. It's from Zales. This is from Zales. And then this is from Zales as well. So, hi Jackson.
We're going to the helicopter tomorrow.
Yeah, you want to see? You want to go in the video?
I'm going to jump to the helicopter.
Gonna jump to the helicopter? Come over here, Jackson. Come this way. Say hi. Alright, guys. What do you say, Jackson? Party, people going to party. Because you're gonna make the people them pray over our belly. Guys, let me take a look at the food. The food took so long to come. What are those? They're so tiny. Let me put this on the bed without dropping it. Let me put this here. Wait! And that's the pizza. Okay, the pizza cute. She cute. And then some drinks. I think I watched that one already too. This is not a scary movie, I don't think. Look, I feel like them girls that be in Miami, they be on a little girl trip. Don't it look nice? Yeah. Let's see. Wait, are you still in the vlog? Oh, this is so cute. Alright, let's eat the fry.
Okay, I want a beef. I want a pork.
What's the bacon?
But it's like bacon. Them
Oh.
cheese on it.
So.
I look mayo or something. You look mayo?
Just so?
There's like more cup, less food. So,
This is the lighting that I need in my room. Cause why the lighting looks so nice?
no, it's not wasting my damn time. How about we all just take a breath? It's been a long day, toast.
Right.
No.
No,
Dude, I be skinny now. I don't be eating stuff like that.
you don't know anything in my times. Yeah, there's no question.
Thank you.
Yeah, but
I'm really trying to figure out what I want to do in April. Oh, I said I
some of us question.
put my bid in. Thank you.
No, you can question it all you want, but I know he's guilty.
The biggest paycheck I ever got in 1 month, when not here, just come here because it's out. Because it's out. Maybe if I do a flight attendant vlog, I'll talk about it. I got some tipping finger under the water.
Yes. See, right there. Snake and a clown. That's the west side of town. They're the biggest drug
Miss-
in the city.
Oh, this tastes. I wonder if it tastes good.
I run the Boys and Girls Club. These guys are crazy.
Is it
Nice.
Unity.
The meat's interesting. Not you biting into the whole
No,
video.
no, it's Attendant.
Oh, you never work it out.
My little brother was 14
For the plot.
when he got in.
Was
A month before his 17th birthday, he was dead.
in at a big check. So imagine.
A lot of persons run over for him because
Bullshit.
them jobs then, they don't get the money that you're making in 1 month. So
I true. But
never.
I don't have anything that I'm really paying for. I pay a light bill. But imagine the people then where I pay rent or mortgage or I pay for like a bunch of groceries, school fees. That run out quick.
Yeah.
That's under nothing. That's under nothing.
Talking about your theories.
I get burger and fries.
And I work like a slave. No, I work like a dog. Day and night. Drinking coffee from a pot none of you want to touch.
Take a picture.
Just to get that money.
You just want to take a picture.
A little over 4 years ago.
Oh, I know what this show. I want to watch it, you know.
Which one is?
I think this is called The Juror or something like that, where the guy is actually, he's on the jury. He's guilty. He's the one that committed the crime and he's on the jury.
Oh, really?
I try, yeah.
Where is this picture, baby? Where is this?
Want to watch it.
Kids how to write. Alcoholics. We can try.
Just not make you waste some money, my love.
She was telling me she saw it.
What more than that picture?
Want in the picture?
Don't be there more, come on now.
You're not going to be in the video up there, Sir Jackson. Let me show you the video. Yeah, juror number 2. Alright, guys,
Tell them to like
Jackson.
and subscribe.
Then you can-
Tell them to like and subscribe.
That was the first step. And look, the journey
Oh, wig.
never ends. I know that.
Yeah, talk to the camera.
Jackson, talk to the camera.
Did I lose 4 years ago? No,
Show them your pizza.
absolutely.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
You change.
Alright, guys. Good morning, guys. So the last time we left off, I saw Jackson was eating his food. But after that, we watched the movie and with Alex, and then really called it a night. So yeah, that's really it. I will see y'all next week. Same time, same place. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Good morning, guys. Today is the start of my last Kingston trip. The only thing that's different is that this time Kingston isn't the first stop. The first stop will be Nicaragua, Managua. I'm gonna learn to say it before I get there. Well, I'll be in MGA. And I want to go see the volcanoes, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. But I will try my best to see that. And then Kingston will be Monday night, so it's coming. But I feel like I should vlog these 3 days and just make it a nice proper vlog, because I think the past 2 days worth of Kingston videos that I have is just not enough to be one full Kingston vlog. But it's 95% a Kingston vlog, if that makes sense. So right now we're getting ready for work. My hair is in the rollers that I told you about in my sit down video from way back when, because I don't think this is going to come out just yet. And then I'm going to go wash the car. The car wash opens at 8. But at first I need to iron my uniform. So just in case I'm running late, I want to be able to come and fling on my uniform. So watch me iron my uniform on my bed. I know my grandmother would be so upset because when I bun up our sheet or bun up our mattress. But I'm gonna iron my clothes on the bed. I'm sorry, Grandma. Alright, let's go. Start with my shirt. Basically, this is to get ready with me for work. How cute. I'm kinda spread out the sheet, you know, say it no crush up. Say it have little, you know, say it straight. Sit weird. And then I'm wearing this shirt. I've been wearing this shirt a lot, but I have a good amount of them now. And I wash them when I'm at the hotel. I wash them in the shower. When I come home, I wash them in the shower because I like wearing them. And I've worked a lot this month and I hadn't had any uniform problem
So I'm gonna mist it because since I washed it, it don't really have that straightness, you know, like it could have. But it smells so good. I used a nice smelling body wash. And because I wash it so often, it's so crisp and like clean. I don't have no armpit stains, which is like very normal, very typical for like us flight attendants, especially when we wear certain pieces often. I've just realized that the best thing, this is not a good way of ironing your clothes. I'm not giving a how to iron. I'm just ironing as I see fit. Which we should have start. Anyways, we're not even start with that because then people are gonna say, yeah man, yeah, don't do that, don't do that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. And this one I washed like last week, but I just never wore it. Child, you smell so good. I could just eat you up, Dr. Umar. What do you mean, eat up the king? So, I don't really have any plans for Kingston, other than like Uptown Monday, see Khai, hang out with my crew member, see Alex, which sounds like plans, doesn't it? But like, we're just gonna wing it. Just add those three things together, and that's how we gonna wing it. All right, guys. See you in a bit. I've done my skincare, and I'm wearing this jacket. I've pushed the sleeves up, as you can tell. But I'm gonna wear this jacket to the car wash. So let's go. I'm not taking these out until I come back. But my skin looks like a glazed donut, and I love it. I love it. All right. Yeah. Let's go. I just checked the mail. Can y'all hear me? I hope this doesn't sound bad. I mean, if it does, I'll put subtitles. But I just checked the mailroom for my matcha powder and whisking set that I paid for, and I didn't see it. It should have arrived between 4 and 7 a.m. of this morning, so I'm not even gonna flip out. I'm gonna just let it wait. Go wash the car. I'm gonna come back. Today's Sunday. I'm gonna park in the front. Free parking on Sundays. And I'm gonna be chill. I'm chilling because I'm not gonna let that stress me out because they're gonna give me my $38 back. I know that for sure. All right. Long story short, I hope y'all can hear me again. But the car wash was closed 46 minutes after it should have been opened. And on top of that, there was a line. I don't got time for a line. So I'm here at the supermarket. I'm gonna just show you now what I got. I have this almond milk, unsweetened almond milk from ShopRite because everything else is too expensive. I got Chobani non-fat Greek yogurt and 3 kombuchas. Alright, I only picked up a couple more things. These jelly themabops. And I got some banana and grapes. And I picked up these protein bars, which I had bought from Publix, and they're really good. That's it. Let's go home. We are back home, and my Amazon package was left literally on the wrong floor. Thank God for them pictures that they take because I would have been flipping out. Let's open that up. Ooh, my matcha. Naoki. Fine Japanese matcha Superior Blend, ceremonial grade. That's it. Oh my god. Product of Japan. Listen, I need to go back to Japan just to get some matcha. Proudly grown in Uji, Kyoto, home to Japanese tea cultivation since 1191. Keep sealed and refrigerated after opening. Best consumed within 2 months of opening. Oxygen absorber included to preserve freshness, not for consumption. Oh, so I got something in there that helps it stay fresh. Okay. And then I wanted to buy like a cute little bowl, but I really want to do a ceramics class. And also when I go back to Japan, I have some stuff that I need to unpack because I have some cute Japanese bowls for like your chopsticks. That I need to unpack. But yeah, I was gonna get a bowl to bring, a whisking bowl, but that's too big. So I didn't want to bring that. I don't want to buy that. I can get that another time. But I got this matcha whisk scoop and spoon set. And I also got a frother. It's coming together. I'm trying to think, like I really want to go to Japan again for my birthday, but I've been thinking like, what if I go to Hawaii instead? Ooh, child, here we go. Ooh, it's so cute. These are what they look like. And I'm just upset that I didn't buy anything. Like I wasn't really on the wave like that to want to buy anything. Why is one of it broken looking? I'm gonna have to soak this in some hot water before I use it for the first time. But this is what this looks like. And you just whisk it, but you whisk it in a W. I remember that. I don't remember where I remember it from, but I remember you whisk it in a W shape. You don't do this. You're supposed to do like that. So I can't wait to do that. And then it has this little thing, but I want to also make, again, I'm gonna wash this before I use it. I also want to make a little thing, it like a whisk holder. It's like a little thing that's shaped like that. You put it on to keep the nice shape. But in time, for now, we're just gonna keep it in here. So cute. And it's all bamboo. Now let's open this up. Oh my god, I don't want to open it. Okay, let me open it. Ooh, it smells really good in my tree. Oh, it looks really pretty. Okay, I'm not ready. I'm gonna take out my hair on camera. I'm gonna take it out on TikTok. So if you want to check out my TikTok, it's at Bicana Brown, just as my YouTube. And then I'm gonna pack my suitcase, and that I'll bring you along for that. So guys, I'm sorry for going MIA, but we are now in Nicaragua. And long story short, when I looked at the clock at home when I was getting ready, I was late. I was beyond late. Like I could not pick up the camera. And then when I got to the airport, it was basically time for me to start boarding. And then it was time to take off. And then by the time I get to the other gate, it was time to leave again. So I'm so sorry, but I was very terrible at recording for y'all. But yeah, we're in the van and we're heading to our hotel. Wow. Good morning from Nicaragua. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna head and get free breakfast first, and then I'm gonna head to the gym, and I may walk around, but I don't know. It's not, I'm definitely in like the more city area of the like the city that we're in. And I don't know what to do around here. I don't know. The pool looks really nice. Like the hotel is nice, friendly people. but I don't know what to do. Yeah. I feel like Nicaragua is probably one of those destinations where you need to go with intention and you need to go with a longer time, definitely more than 16 hours to do something, versus some of these other places where, like, unless you have 24 hours, then I feel like I could have gone to a volcano tour. But some of these other places, you can walk around easily. I don't know. I have to figure it out because I'm interested in seeing more of Managua. I learned how to say it and I can't remember. Managua. It's pissing me off. Next time I come back, I will know how to say it. I promise. Because I learned, but I think the G is silent. At least when they're speaking Spanish. I'll figure it out. But yeah. I'm gonna go and I'll be back. Let me just show y'all real quick what I'm bringing to the gym. Since I just fluffed out my hair, I'm gonna bring this little fan that I have, my room key, and some water. And in my pocket, just in case, I'm gonna ask them if I can come, if I can only go in and get breakfast once, because I plan to go after the gym because I need protein, I need food, I need fiber. If they tell me I can only come in once, I'll just like eye it. But I also brought one of my protein bars. So either I eat the protein bar and then go to the gym, or I eat the breakfast and then go to the gym and eat the protein bar, but something off a run. And also, I gotta grab my headphones. Got my headphones and my phone. And this is what I'm bringing to the gym. And obviously, this dump truck. All right, so I've made the executive decision to work out before I eat because, I don't know, the breakfast just looks really nice and cute. And it's like in a proper, like, just a nice restaurant. The restaurant looked nice right by the pool. And I feel like I can go up after I bathe, after I work out, and just put on something real cute and go back downstairs and get breakfast, isn't it? So I'm just gonna eat the protein bar now. But see, now work out for a good 45 minutes next. And because I try to keep my workout, like I try to be very intentional. That's keyword of the day, intentional with my workout. I don't want to waste my time in the gym. So I know exactly what I'm doing. I know how long I'm doing it for, and I know how long I'm resting between each set. So yeah, I won't be recording the workout session. At least I'll try not to, because that's just gonna add on more time. But yeah, I got my fan because if I start to feel a sweat, I'm gonna use it. I do need to stretch. The workout is finished and I'm sitting by a window by the pool, so it's not the best lighting. I don't really want anybody else in my video. But I got an omelet. They have a little piece of paper where you fill out everything that you need and you grab a number and they'll bring the number to you. So that's what I did. But for now, I have some fruits. And I would love a cup of tea. But I'm very specific about my tea. I don't like black tea. So yeah, I'm just here. Very cute breakfast. Got some passion fruit. Passion fruit sour. Never realized the passion fruit is so sour. My hair, I overestimated my natural hair. It's starting to shrink up even more, like my roots part that aren't as coiled as the ends are starting to shrink. So it's starting to get like short. So I'm gonna have to figure out a method where I can get it like big. So if I can get it up in the air, I won't care like how short it is. But it's low and short. So if I can have it high and short, I wouldn't mind. So if any of you have any recommendations for that, like help a girl out and let me know. My workout took me way longer than I expected. I procrastinated so much and the weights did heavy. So it took me a while to like adjust to that. So yeah, it took me a long time to finish working out, like over an hour. When the omelet comes out, I'll show you it. Here's the omelet. It looks healthy. It looks really good. Yeah. So breakfast is tea. I may get me seconds to go. I should have brought my container down here because I would have scriptedly do my seconds in that container. Not gonna lie, I'm loving the hair still. Even though it has shrink up, I'm loving it.
Anything you want, anything you want, anything you
Guys, I'm in Jamaica. I tried to puff out my hair so it could be bigger, but I don't know. And I have to let me know in the comment section on the thing. But we're going to Uptown Mondays. This is the outfit. The same Coach slippers. Guest slippers want to know for a long time. Shorts, black shorts. From I think Abercrombie and Fitch. And this top is from Zara, but it keeps rolling down. Sorry, it keeps rolling down. But it's basically sheer, and then it has it's like bralette, and then belt from Shein, and that's really it. So I will see you guys in a bit.
I hope my fan is charged up enough.
Ciao. My phone was.
Every carpet comes in.
Alright, we are leaving Jamaica now. Equipment have been checked, and I will see you in Miami. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you like this like mixture of Jamaica and little Nicaragua. And yeah. Good morning, guys. I don't have much time to talk. In fact, I don't have any time to talk. So I'm gonna get ready and I will catch you in the car. I tried to do something cute today, but we need to go. If anything, I'll catch you in the employee parking lot. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Good morning. We're here at the airport. I had to literally rush. I had to run and like stop one of the other shuttles so that I could get on one of the other shuttles, the ones that transport non-flight attendants, non-cabin crew, basically, just to get here on time. So I had no time to talk to you guys, but pre-flights are done. Just turning on my device, and we're gonna start boarding soon. So I'll catch you in Miami. Alright guys, so we've landed in Curaçao. I do have a Curaçao vlog. I'm gonna pop it up here. Make sure you go and check that out. But before you keep on going, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna get out of these clothes as quickly as I can, but I'm gonna try my best to also show you a room tour. Alright, ladies and gents, this is a really quick room tour. To the right of the door is the bathroom. Super duper beautiful. Gonna be amazing for the get ready with me in the morning. And that's me. That's your girl Bicana. And then to the left of the door you have your closet, full body of course. Not closet, mirror. The closet is, however, adjacent. Is that adjacent or parallel? One of the words, to the bathroom. And then the beautiful bedroom. This blue is everything. Really love it. Like a lilac baby blue type. Blue's not. Oh, my thing said the microphone wasn't working. Sorry. And then this dresser is giving me grease. I don't know, like it's just giving me grease. Maybe it's the type of blue that it is against the white. And yeah, like I said, it was gonna be real quick. And then, of course, a balcony, but it's facing the street, so boo, not cute, but we love it anyways. And that's an overview of the room again. This is the gym fit. Ooh, not me walking into the wall. All right, so I'm wearing this. This outfit is from Shein. The shorts and the sweater, the crop top. Oh Jesus, this is also from Shein, the sports bra. The sneakers are from Asics and Odd Future socks. I'm not gonna bring y'all along with me, but we are gonna go to the gym, work on lower body, cause I need a pump. I need a pump for real, and I'm not eating enough, so I really do need to like eat more. So sometimes when I work out, I build up a very heavy appetite afterwards. So I'm trying to do my best. I'm not gonna have much sunlight. It's currently 3:19 and I want to be done before 4:19. So I will see y'all in a bit. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't make me have to say it again. Don't make me have to say it again. If you look down and you're saying a subscribe and you're saying a like, what y'all do? Hello? What are you doing? All right, bye. I'm not trying to peer pressure you or bully you. But if you do genuinely like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have anything to say, or you know what, drop a workout emoji. Any type of workout emoji, just drop it. Just drop it right now in the video. Regardless of wherever you were, regardless of whatever you comment or whatever you want comment, just drop a workout emoji. And I'm going to start trying to do that more often, just to like give you prompts to comment. All right, I'm gonna head out now. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya. All right, guys, we are down by the pool. We're gonna get something to eat. Oh my God, my passengers are here. This is embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. But you're not embarrassed. Because why are my passengers here? Yeah. All right, let me move out of the way. Alright, I hope you can hear me better. Oh, that's too loud. Well, maybe not loud enough, who knows. I'm gonna get, I just don't feel like getting a burger, but I'm hungry. Oh, you can't speak to me at all.
Smoked salmon wrap. Red snapper. $30 guys. The burger is $25 with no fries. I just don't think I'm that desperate. I'd rather get a salad and add some chicken. So much is that coming to? 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm ready to do a Caesar salad. And do some grilled chicken on top. Yeah, that make a difference. That's crazy. Now y'all can see me a smidge better, especially when I come closer up into the camera. Oh no, they're not pitch for me, guys. Alright guys, so just chilling. Just chilling.
You filming?
Yeah. I'm just talking to my people. But I got that same plastic cup that I got the water in. But just chug off the water and pour my own wine tonight, guys. Beautiful looking crew. You ain't never seen better. Better. Alright. I'll be right back. Guys, this is the food that we have. $14 for this picnic burger. This children's burger. It's not terrible. They have the $25 ones that I was showing you guys. Definitely not. I would not spend $25 on just a burger. But I also got a salad, which was like, I think it's $15 or something like that for the salad. All in all, with the discount, I spent $25. I'm gonna save this salad for later tonight. Yeah, I love my crew. I love these people. They're so amazing. They're so nice. They're right in front of the bridge, and we're getting something to drink. Very light. How much is the chocolate?
I got it. Free calamari done.
So just a hoisin fish. So you want
Is it free calamari done? One.
I want everything free.
One and one.
I want a free.
Here we go. Let's keep it out.
Food. I want a free comida.
Everything.
Is that ready?
Yeah. No, you go first and then end with
He
me.
did it. He did it.
You next. Yes, she's next. You're next to order.
Whatever you're gonna eat.
Ladies first.
I have no idea what I'm finna eat, guys. I'm gonna know I'm wine.
Appetizer. He knows.
Yo, when I was in Brazil, all I had was this steak
This one first.
and rice and beans and fries. That's yes, of course. What? That's all I had. All right.
40 minutes.
I got it.
We're ordering now,
Yeah.
so.
It's a kind of busy day for us, but
Guys, that looks so amazing.
Where's
I don't know who's that is, though.
Where's the stuff on the side? Where's yours? Yours is right there too. So.
Remember, I had the tacos. Whose is that?
And say the taco part.
Yeah. Because she turned back when I said ribeye. But tacos will make you do the right turn back. Yeah.
Like, what do y'all think y'all doing? And then Trump was like, oh, those things you would have been dead in 2 years, 3 days. Like this world would have been like, you need to be grateful to us. You need to be expressing that's why they're giving your gratitude. It's like cards. It's not a game. Like people are just.
That's right.
It was a very pure showing,
I haven't got.
and we just looked just.
Well, he's so dumb when he first said that Ukraine started the war. Like, you're dumb.
Maybe that's why the passenger, I didn't think of the context.
You're dumb.
But maybe that's why the passenger said, this idiot.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why he said that.
It's so embarrassing.
It is very embarrassing.
It's so embarrassing.
Hey, yeah.
Hey,
there we go.
Hey, 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 hey.
He got the smile. You see, he got the smile.
Hey. How's that dog? Out there. Yo, big boss, hope you got money ready.
Yes, I want to put
Yeah, what's going on?
Trust me.
I said, enough.
Until now, so we've been friends. We've
No,
been
sir,
about
I'm
to become
thinking
friends.
about
You my boy, you my
Oh,
boy.
I know that. I
No,
can feel it.
we laughing
Me
too.
bring one
I
of
laugh
the
at the vibe.
in the butt.
Yeah. Oh,
bless
damn.
you.
Probably not.
You know.
Wait to taste your skin.